स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः heartily welcome to Sainik School Bijapur. First of all, congratulations for selecting Sanskrit as your elective. Sanskrit Samskritam Swagatam Samyak Krutam Samskritam, the language which well designed is called Sanskrit language. That's why I welcome you in Sanskrit language as a Samskritam Swagatam. We all welcome you to the Samskritam because learn Sanskrit, be Indian. Bharatasya pratishte dve Samskritam Samskritis tatha. The name, fame and the honor of the country lies in two things. That is, one is Samskritihi, the Indian culture which makes different in the world, and the language, the purest language, that is Sanskrit, which brings honor to the nation. So first of all, let us feel proud that we are all studying Sanskrit language. Being India, to know the India better, we must study Sanskrit. Let us be cultured by studying the Sanskrit. Samskritam patha, samskruto bhava. Sanskrit is a language which has given first literature to the world. When people were searching the stars and moons, the entire eternal knowledge was given in Sanskrit. That is the greatness of Sanskrit. So we are all very lucky to study. The advantage of studying language, it becomes more flexible. It makes you more flexible in the life. It gives you always control over your emotions. Makes your mind very sharp, my dear boys. It's a good exercise for the tongue too. If you want physical exercise, you are doing the PT. For your tongue, the good exercise is just pronouncing the words in Sanskrit. It makes even your mind very sharp. That's why it will help you to learn mathematics much better. Okay, what we should learn? As I told, the syllabus in the 6th class is very less, and so your concentration will be more. As I say, all of you know the Hindi Varnamala. You all think that as a Hindi Varnamala. First of all, please come out of the ignorance and know it is called Devanagari Varnamala. Devanagari is a script in which this Varnamala is written. So this Devanagari Varnamala is the root. In this Devanagari Varnamala, many languages like Hindi, Marathi and other languages are written. It's a written media to express the language. The script name, please note it clearly. The name of the script is Devanagari Varnamala. Sanskrit language is also known by the names Girvani, Devavani, Devanagari. These are all the words by which Sanskrit is also identified. As you have learnt the Hindi Varnamala, the same with a little change. The little change is very important. With the little change, you can find the Devanagari Varnamala. Today I will tell you what is the Devanagari Varnamala, what are all the specialities in the Devanagari Varnamala. Let us learn it. Are you ready? Say, Aham Devanagari Varnamalam Pathami. Repeat, Aham Devanagari Varnamalam Pathami. Here it comes. Devanagari Varnamala. Prathamam. A A, I, U, U, Ru, Ru, Lru, A, I, O, Au. These are all the swaras. Aha. What it comes, let us see in the next slides. Let us first learn all of them. Then comes K, K, G, G, Ñ, Ch, Ch, J, J, Ñ, T, T, D, D, N, Th, Th, D, D, N, P, P, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. So pronouncing should be very clear. Pronouncing must be very clear. First, we will learn what are all the vowels. Here the vowels come. Vowels, as all of you know, this is A, I, U, U, Ru, Ru is also there. A, I, O, Au, Aha. As you know, these are all called the vowels. How they have derived? Is it the natural? Some are natural vowels, some are made. Let us learn what are they. Moola swara. That means these are all the roots of the vowels. They are Hraswaswara and Dirghaswaras are there, as well as these are all the Moola swaraha, Yaugika swaraha. For example, what are the Moola swara? They are 5. What are they? A, I, U, Ru, Lru. These are all the 5 Moola swaras. Then Yaugika swara. What is Yaugika? Yoga means combination, joining. If you join 2, another swara will come. That is called Yaugika swara. They are A plus A. A is a Moola swara. A is a Yaugika swara. I plus I. For plus, we call it as Adhika. A adhikam A. I adhikam I. U adhikam U. Ru adhikam Ru. Lru adhikam Ru. Lru. A adhikam I. A adhikam I. A adhikam U. O. A adhikam O. Au. Punaha patami. Moola swara, the root are called A, I, U, Ru, Lru. Yaugika swara, that means combination, added. They are A adhikam A, I adhikam I, U adhikam U, Ru adhikam Ru, Lru adhikam Ru, Lru. A adhikam I, A adhikam I. A adhikam U, O. A adhikam O, Au. Then Ayoga Vahaka. Next comes Ayoga Vahaka. Na yogaha, ayogaha, ayoga vahakaha ete bhavanti. They are and aha. And aha are called ayoga vahakaha. Again, today we have learnt full Varnamala. In that Varnamala, what we have learnt is swaras. Again, in the swaras, Moola swaraha and Yaugika swaraha we have learnt. Then Ayoga Vahakaha, and aha are called ayoga vahakaha. Write them neatly. Then we will learn what are all the hrasva swaraha. A, I, U, Ru, Lru. They are called as a hrasva swaraha. A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au. These are all called as a dirgha swaraha. Once again, what are all the hrasva swaraha? A, I, U, Ru, Lru. These are all hrasva swaraha. A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au. These are all called as a dirgha swaraha. Again, we will see them. Hrasva swaraha, dirgha swaraha. So, know these swaras very well. What are all the swaras? How many hrasva swaras are there? How many dirgha swaras are there? Note down clearly. In the next class, we will learn about the vyanjanas. What are all the vyanjanas? How many varieties? See, this flow chart will tell you what are all the varieties of vyanjanas. We will learn in the next class. Please be patient. Learn little but learn perfectly. Learn little, learn perfectly. This is our theory. So please learn quickly and grasp for the permanently. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. Jayatu Bharatam, Jayatu Samskritam. Dhanyavadaha.